Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Quick Check Plus control solution, test strip compatibility, and meter power so results will be valid. Once done, put on gloves and clean the test port area with an alcohol wipe. Let it air dry to avoid dilution. Prepare a new lancet and the correct capillary tube. Label the control level if required. This step minimizes contamination and prevents invalid runs, which saves time. Make sure calibration code matches the strip batch before proceeding. You insert the strip and wait for the meter's ready prompt because correct sequencing prevents error codes. Next, dispense a single drop of control solution onto a clean surface or the strip edge. Do not squirt into the meter to avoid internal contamination. Once the strip draws the sample, the meter times and analyzes. Watch the display and note the result. If running multiple levels, repeat with fresh strip and solution, and document lot numbers to maintain traceability. You finish by safely disposing of consumables and logging the Quick Check Plus lot, meter ID, and result to maintain QA records. Compare the value to the expected control range. This confirms meter accuracy for patient testing. If the result falls outside range, first repeat the test with a new strip and fresh control solution to rule out technique. If still out of range, verify strip expiration and meter calibration. Then escalate to your supervisor or technical support for further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.